I am super excited to tell you guys about the brand new InnoPro product right here on the Dakota Micro workbench. Let's get into it and unbox it. This is the InnoPro Connect one camera kit. First up, the InnoPro Connect camera. It comes with an InnoPro IP camera with a magnet and the hardware. A brand new 25-foot InnoPro Connect power video cable, which has a waterproof M12 connector on one side and a watertight locking Ethernet connection on the other. You've probably never seen that before. I haven't either. Next up, the Connect Hub. It comes with an InnoPro Connect Hub and two antennas and a 4-foot 12-volt power line, which goes right in here. And last up is our brand new InnoPro Connect rugged tablet. It's a beautiful 10.1-inch Android tablet with a 1920 by 1200 resolution. It comes with a beefy, rugged tablet mounting bracket and a ball mount for various applications. It's also supplied with an AC power adapter and a 12-volt power adapter. Once again, this is the InnoPro Connect one camera kit. We also offer this in a 2-camera kit. Of course we do. We make cameras and we make cables. And since the InnoPro Connect Hub supports up to 4 cameras, you can purchase more cameras and cables separately. Of course you can. If you want to see how to set this up and quickly install it, we offer more videos to help you on the InnoPro page at dakotamicro.com.